pass the test. Can you sell your home for top dollar right now? Or do you need to do a few things to make sure you get top dollar? Hi, this is Suma, the real estate broker in the Bay Area. Let us take the quiz to see if your home passes the sell for top dollar test. We have sold hundreds of homes, so we know what we are talking about. Here we go. When you walk up to the home, does it have a curb appeal? Fresh landscaping, maybe a bit of black bark, fresh flowers, plants or trees, new trim and door paint, or possibly even a new paint job. You need to hire someone who cares more about getting you top dollar than possibly hurting your feelings. Have you done the 3 Ds? Declutter, depersonalize and deep cleaned. And I mean really deep cleaning. Baseboards, scuff marks, cleaned up the landscape, changed out old light bulbs and more. Is your land lavish and green or yellow and crispy? Yes, these things matter a lot. Are the walls painted a neutral color? Have you patched holes? Painted the front door and trim? Are the brick red walls with mismatched paint does not quantify selling for top dollar? At least not in this market. Do you have a neutral carpets that are clean? Or are they 10 years old that have been cleaned up 15 times and once it rains or people walk over them a few times? Well, the truth comes out. This is not going to cut it to the top dollar. Do you have updated flooring and countertops? Are your cabinets still the same as they were 15 years ago? Or have you updated them? Does your lot compare to the 1/2 acre lot that is up the corner of the street? You see, all of this matters a lot. This is one big thing, the smell test. Oh my God, I am sure you don't realize this, but did you know most people have a smell to their home? Yes, a smell. I know it. It sounds grass, but it is true. We love pets. In fact, we consider them as our family. But if I were to list my home, I would have to be crazy. You see, Pepper had peed on my throw rugs and the chickens can poop like nobody's business. So, when I sell, I have to make changes and I would even have to pass the smell test. What about cooking? Do you cook with spices that you are used to? But if someone else came over, it would smell like a fish fry. Again, that's a no-no. Have you truly compared your home to your competition? I mean, everyone, including me, think that I have the best home on the block. I mean, I listen to you. I know. A granny spent 5 weeks putting the old white tiles with brown grout. But is this measuring up to your competition? It consists of getting all of the inspections done ahead of time, making sure all the health and safety items are fixed, as well as all Section 1 termite work, which includes dry rot, leaks, and of course termites. It also includes a home warranty, which is a huge protection for the buyer and the seller. The home is professionally cleaned prior to the buyer moving in, and if necessary, so are the carpets. This is very essential when selling a home because it does a few things for the seller. The seller has much more assurance that they will actually net what it is that they thought when going into escrow. It gives them peace of mind that the buyer won't ask for any unreasonable or outlandish repairs. It also cuts down on inspection time frames, and it is more likely the home will close escrow on time. Selling a certified key home also protects the seller if they have a replacement property to purchase and need every penny out of their sales to secure and close on their new purchase. Also, the buyer is more confident that they are buying a sound home that is in move-in ready condition. Also, if there is bank financing on the property, some loan programs require health and safety as well as Section 1 termite work to be completed prior to closing escrow. So, with that already being completed, there is further assurance that the loan will go through. To wrap it up, selling a certified turnkey gives the seller, buyer and the lender more confidence throughout the entire transaction. Once again, this is Suma, the real estate broker in the Bay Area with the tradition of excellence and integrity. Remember, when you do what you love, people like what you do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.